The whole point was the Earth was rotating underneath the object. That's the whole point, knucklehead. You just read it.
Yeah, it's claimed by Globe Earth that Earth turns underneath things that are in the air, and that would shorten flight times.
It is moving at a different speed underneath it.
Yeah, so depending on where you are on a presupposed spherical Earth, the flight times would change in terms of how much they'd be shortened. They're not shortened, though.
Do you understand that the Earth is rotating beneath objects, causing, you know what that word means? Causing Coriolis effect. Do you understand?
In the heliocentric model, not in reality.
It's moving at a different speed. It's moving underneath at a different speed.
Yeah, so if it's moving underneath a plane at a different speed, it would shorten flight times.
You want to still talk to this knucklehead?
I quite enjoy telling him off. He represents every fundy who's ever ridiculed me ever, and apparently that's tolerable, so I'm just going to behave like that to him when he's wrong, and I'm justified in pointing out how wrong he is and why he's wrong, with everyone around me providing him with citations exactly how he's wrong. Because drones don't drift away 1,000 miles on the equator, according to him that means it's not part of the claim. No, because drones don't drift away on the equator, the claim is debunked. Not that you don't make the claim anymore, it's still definitely a Globe Earth claim that Earth turns beneath stuff not attached. That would cause drones to drift away 1,000 miles an hour on the equator. It doesn't happen, so he's saying because it doesn't happen, that means it's not my claim anymore. Yet still your claim, we've just debunked it because drones don't drift away 1,000 miles an hour on the equator and flight times aren't shortened, which they would be if Earth turned beneath them, as you've just read out twice, but came here to claim that's not what Globe Earth claims. It was recorded. Now you're interrupting while I point out your lie, doublespeak, contradiction that you've denied and was recorded. That's what you came here to claim doesn't happen. No, Earth isn't claimed to turn beneath stuff. That was what you came in with. Yeah, it is. It just doesn't happen.
I said the Earth is turning. I said the Earth...
Yeah, I know you can beg the fucking question. Don't chant that Earth is turning now when we've debunked the effect that would induce drift that we don't see. Don't just enchant you're begging the question at me. I know you can assume Earth turns, dickhead. No shit. Wowee, you're a fundy. Give yourself a cookie. Yet we know you can beg the question that Earth spins. That would induce drift at 15 degrees an hour and shorten flight times. Hello?
Nathan, can I ask you a question?
You can suck my balls and enjoy the aftertaste, you fundy with a globe belief. If we had Coriolis, flight times would be shortened and drones would drift away 1,000 miles an hour on the equator. It doesn't happen, not because you're not claiming it, because it's not happening.